Hi everyone, I'm Trisha and welcome back to the Sublime YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about a brand called Martiderm. This is a highly requested video because we received so many questions about Martiderm. So today I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about the brand, the ampoules, how to find the right one, how to store them, etc. So let's get started. So first and foremost, what is Martiderm and where is this brand from? Martiderm is actually a Spanish brand that we have exclusively on Sublime. They revolutionized skincare when they invented a concept called ampoules. They were way ahead of their times and now they've grown to become a market leader. They are currently Spain's #1 derma cosmetic brand and every second there are 2 ampoules sold. So now let's get to what ampoules are exactly and how do they work. So while most vitamin C serums tend to oxidize upon contact with both light as well as air, Martiderm found a great way around this. They created ampoules which have an inert glass atmosphere which doesn't allow the vitamin C to react with any kind of light or air. This means that it's super concentrated and super potent, and it also makes sure that it won't degrade upon time. In addition, these ampoules are also formulated at a pH of 3.5 which will not affect your natural pH balance. So even if you're a beginner, this is a great product to use which will not upset any kind of balance in your skin. Additionally, they are vegan and they're also tailored for different skin types. So if you have oily skin, there's an ampoule, you have dry skin, there's an ampoule, and they also tailor to specific skin concerns. So let's get to that. So a question we often get is, are they beginner friendly? Yes, they are. So the originals range, which is the Proteos liposome, Proteos Hydra Plus and Hydra Plus SP, are all formulated with 5% vitamin C. It's a perfect product to start with if you've never used vitamin C before. Always make sure you start gradually with 5% before you scale up. Once your skin develops tolerance for it, you can then move on to the higher vitamin C, like Proteos, which has 15%. If you're ever confused about which ampoule you need, we're going to lay it down in the caption below so you can find the right ampoule for your skin type. So, do these come in different sizes? Yes, they do. We have a 5 ampoule pack, a 10 ampoule pack, as well as a 30 ampoule pack. So if you feel like you don't know if it's going to work for you, you can always start with the 5 ampoule pack. It's a great way to decide. Each 5 ampoule pack has 5 ampoules which will last you around at least 10 days. Ideally, you should use up an ampoule within 24 hours, but they easily last at least 3 to 4 uses. So they're super useful that way. So how do you even open it? A lot of people get super intimidated when they see this ampoule because they don't know how to open it. But I promise you, it's super easy. Every pack comes with an easy open device that has a dent right here. You take the easy open device, you make sure that your ampoule is always on a flat surface, never do this on your hand. You hold it and you put the ampoule inside. Then you press it till you hear a click sound. So this is how it comes out. It should halve, and once it halves, each ampoule also comes with a plastic dropper. So you attach this plastic dropper right on top. You turn it upside down and then you dispense the liquid upon your palms and then apply it like a regular serum. Super easy, right? So I hope you guys found this super helpful. This is everything that we get often about Martiderm. Always make sure that you store this in a dark place, in a cupboard ideally, so that it has no chance to react with any kind of light or air. All in all, I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have absolutely any questions about Martiderm, do make sure you drop them in the comments below. We've also linked the products in the caption, so don't forget to check them out. Bye!